Welcome to Smartwatch Specs.
Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here a comparison video for our latest smartwatch, the Smartwatch Fit O20 Ultra, and we'll compare it with the previous model here of the O20, the Smartwatch Fit O20. On this video, we are going to compare the design, the specifications, as well as the UI. So if you are interested to see the difference, what are the upgrades for our O20, watch this video. And again, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's begin and explore the comparison video for our O20 Ultra versus the Fit O20. As you can see here, the size for the packaging is different, but they have the same style here or concept. We have a preview of the smartwatch features and specs here on the side. For the Fit O20, it promotes the AI. Okay, this is for its watch faces. Okay, for our Fit O20 Ultra, it's all about the curve or the design. Then at the back, we do have a preview here of the wearable and the specifications. So we will compare these later on for the specs. Okay. On the side, we have some features here. Okay. So compact, light, durable packaging. Next, let's have the smartwatches. So before we proceed with the design and the specs, let's have the dimension and of course the weight. Okay, so I'm going to measure the dimension here. So this is our Fit O20 Ultra and the other one is the Fit O20. Okay, let's have here the width. We have 39.7. For our Fit O20, we have 41.0. So there's a huge difference when it comes to the width. For our length, we have 50.9 again. 50.9 for the O20 Ultra. Then for the O20, we have 48.8 again. 48.7 or 0.8. For the thickness here without the sensor, we have 12.1, and the other one we have 12.1. So just the same. Okay, so when we are done with the dimension, let's have the weight here. So with the strap attached, let's measure. This is our O20 Ultra. We have 65.41. For the Fit O20, we have 45.29. Again, 65. Okay, so very lightweight for our Fit O20 compared to the O20 Ultra. Next, let's have the design. Okay, before we proceed with the specs. So let's have a closer look here. So here's the design. Both do have a rectangular body frame. Both do have a crown button on the side. So let's see with this one, with the O20. Let's see if we can change the menu here. Display, menu view. Let's see. Okay, so it's not rotary as you can see here. Again, display. Let's see. Okay, so it is just for on and off. While for our O20 Ultra, you can use this to navigate. Okay. Then for the material here, we do have a plastic body frame, metal body frame for the Fit O20 Ultra. Again, here's the design. When in terms of design and the materials used, the O20 Ultra is much better. Okay. The Fit O20's advantage here, I guess, is the lightweight body frame. Both do have a quick release pin for its flexible silicone strap. Okay, so what do you think of the design here? Again, let's have a closer look. Next, let's have the specifications. So for the specifications, again, we do have the Fit O20 and we have the O20 Ultra. So we have a 2.01 TFT with a 240 by 296 pixel resolution. While for the O20, the previous one, bigger screen display here, 2.04 TFT with a 240 by 284 pixel resolution. Both do have a Bluetooth 5.4 connectivity. For the battery, we only have 220 mAh here for the O20, while for the O20 Ultra, we do have a 300 mAh. Okay, both do have an IP68 waterproof rating. I think, if I'm not mistaken, it's also using the iPulse application for our O20. Here's the model name, ISW020. The other one, ISW020U. Okay, for additional specs, I'm going to put it here on both sides, including the support app. I'm going to double check it. Okay, so what do you think of the specifications, which is much better? Next, let's have the UI here. So for the UI, settings and options on top, more options here for the O20 Ultra. On the bottom part, we have notifications. So the same layout here. Okay, so the same style of menu access. Widgets on the right side, menu on the left side. On top, we have the settings and options here. On the bottom part, we have notifications. Okay, so that's it for our comparison review of the design, the specs, and the UI. On our second video, we will compare the offered menus and features. Again, if you have any questions regarding the wearable, drop a comment below and support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.